welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another Vlogmas. If you're new here, I'm Nicole, and as you can tell by the title in today's video, I will be straightening my hair. I just got back from the gym, but my hair is just in a low back bun right now, and I have this hat on. And yeah, so in today's video I will be going from curly to straight and showing you all my process and everything. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video. So yeah, if I take this off, you can kind of get an idea of what my hair looks like right now. There's old product in there that I need to wash out, but this is what we're rocking with right now. So yeah, there's old product in it. It's been brushed down all week long, so there's like no curl pattern to it right now. And then I'm just going to hop in the shower, take my shower since I just left the gym anyway, take a shower, wash my hair, get back out and show you all and start the whole process. Okay, so I got out of the shower, I put on my pajamas, and I also put some conditioner and everything in my hair, and I let it sit for a little while I uploaded the Vlogmas video that went up today. And yeah, so now I'm ready to start the entire blow drying process. My hair is basically detangled. Honestly, I feel like putting the conditioner in my hair helps the detangling process. I used to not have any product in my hair when I would blow dry it, and I just found that just going ahead and put some conditioner in there before I start the process makes it so much easier. So yeah, it's still a little bit tangled, but it's basically detangled. To actually blow dry my hair, I'm going to use literally just this basic Walmart blow dryer. It really doesn't matter what blow dryer you use, I don't think. And I'm going to start out with a wide tooth comb, and then as I get through the sections, use the thinner side just to make sure everything is blow dried and as straight as possible before I actually straighten it. So basically I've just been sectioning my hair into smaller sections, and then like I said, combing it out with a wide tooth comb and blow drying it with a wide tooth comb, and then going back over it with the thinner comb. So I'm about halfway done now, and it hasn't been long. It's been like maybe 20 minutes. Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. I'm at the last few sections now, so it is so hot and I'm ready to wrap this up. Also, the last time I straightened my hair, I kind of sectioned it like this, and I was like, what if I had like curtain bangs? Like, I wonder how that would look. It would look kind of like, you know, well, a straight version of that. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe for the new year I could have curtain bangs. I don't know. We will see. So yeah, basically, oh my goodness. Basically, it would look like this, like that in the front, except more like this. I think I should try it. I think I should do it. It'll be a completely different look for me. I don't know. I think it might make me look younger though. We'll see. We will see. But anyway, I really wish my hair was like this thick, straight, instead of just blow dried. I really wish it was just this thick. Anyway, maybe that's a 2022 goal. But yeah, normally I would jump right into straightening my hair, but I'm about to eat something. I made some pizza, and it's literally been sitting here seducing me. So I'm about to cut this, heat it up some more because it's gotten cold for sure, but I'm about to heat it up some more and eat this, and I will get back to my hair in a minute. Now I'm ready to straighten my hair. My straightener is heating up, and I'm gonna go through with the same process that I went through when I blow dried it. And that's just sectioning it and putting it up and going through. I will only be using this comb this time. So yeah, I just do little thin sections, comb it through like this, and then take the straightener and just go down. It's so simple. And that's all I do. And I have to make sure like the root is super straight too, because whenever I comb my hair, I do not want the comb to get like tangled in there, if that makes sense. In my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. much longer because I'm also doing a TikTok on top of this, but I'm almost done. So let's wrap this up. This is literally the very last section. Thank goodness, this took so long trying to do TikToks and a YouTube video and having to keep pausing everything and stopping everything, but we are actually basically done. I just have to do my edges really quickly and then I will show you the final product. Okay, and this is the final product. I kind of did the front like curtain bangs so you could kind of get an idea of what I mean when I ask if I should do curtain bangs or not. I think I should. I think it'll be a look. But yeah, so this is the final product. I love it. I actually love my hair so much more straight than I do curly. I don't know, it's always just a vibe. But yeah, so that is going to conclude this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here tomorrow with another video. Bye guys.